Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Moxie DIY in Java. I'm Michelle. So today's video is a really quick one, but I wanted to share some dishes that I recently got. This company, Sweese, reached out to me and asked if I would be interested in reviewing their dishes and seeing what I thought of them, etc. And I said, sure, I'd love to, since I love cooking and setting the table and making all sorts of yummy things for my family to eat. And of course we use dishes. So they sent them to me and I have them right here. I'm going to do a quick unboxing and I'll give you my thoughts on them and then maybe even show you a quick tablescape. So it's a pretty sturdy box. Let's hope that there are no chips. Okay, double boxed, that's a good sign. Now they do have their own website, but these particular ones came from Amazon. So that's why you see the smile. And if you have Prime, you get free shipping. Now the ones I ordered were the salad and pasta bowls, and I ordered them in turquoise. So like I said, they came double boxed, and this is the inner box, lots of styrofoam. Ooh, pretty color. Well, so far I'm impressed. They're really well packaged. Oh, these are gorgeous, you guys. Look how pretty that is. Now, for those of you who have watched my channel for a while, or you know me personally, you know I love blues. Turquoise and aqua are my all-time favorite color, and this is stunning. Really, really pretty. That's the company name, Sweese. And what's great about these is that, yes, they're dishwasher safe, they're microwave safe, they're even oven safe, which is fantastic. Lead-free. So I'm really impressed with these. Let's get the rest of them out of the packaging and see how they look. So far, no chips, which is always a good thing. Oh, these are so pretty. I love the shape of these too. I've been wanting to get some shallower bowls like these, the pasta bowls, and when they reached out to me, it was serendipitous. It's like they knew. Now they have all sorts of different products, not just these types of dishes. They have full place settings. They have utensil holders. They've got butter dishes. They've got lots of different things. So I highly suggest either going to their website or logging onto Amazon and finding them there. And I will link their store in my description box. And you can peruse that and see if there's anything that they have that would fit with your decor or your style. So these came in plain white, cool colors, which include this color and an ombre effect of blues. So like from this blue, I think an even lighter blue, all the way down to navy, and then white. And then they have what's called hot colors, which are orange, red, yellow, and then white. And it was like an ombre effect with that too. And you always get 6 total. So let me grab another plate so you can see how I would use these with the place setting, and I'll be right back. Okay, so here's an example of how I would probably use these in a place setting. This is my tablescape from Easter, spring, and early summer. So I will be changing that up shortly, and I will probably be using these dishes. So I have just plain white dishes. Look at that, isn't that pretty? Ugh, I love blues and whites together. I think they're so pretty. So that is probably how I would do a really quick table setting. With 4th of July coming up, I may even use these with that, and instead of using like a navy, use this pretty aqua turquoise color. So I hope that you have enjoyed this really quick video. I know it wasn't my normal thing, but I really wanted to show you this collection by this brand Sweese, and they're stunning. They're really, really pretty. They feel really well made. I have younger kids, so I'm not worried about them handling these because I know that they are going to be able to withstand any roughness that my boys put them through. So if you have any questions, please feel free to comment below. I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.